Hi. If you want to install Live Server extension, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Live Server extension on your VS Code editor. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So Live Server is one of the best extensions you can install that helps you to launch a development local server with live reload features for static and dynamic pages. To get this, go to your Visual Studio Code editor program, and once you're here, look for this extension option that is down here. So if I click on it, we can now search for any extension, and I'll just go ahead and search for Live Server as this. Here we go. So here's the official Live Server extension that I'm looking for. If you click on it, make sure it is from Retweak Day, and at the time of recording this extension had over 76 million downloads with a star rating of 4.5 out of 5, and currently it has over 514 reviews. So if you see these details, then you'll know that you have the right Live Server extension. Install it on your VS Code, click on install here, and by clicking on this, the installation process will run, and now extension has been installed. So that's how you can install Live Server extension on VS Code. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.